In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on your Grammarly account step by step. This is really useful if your profile name is outdated, misspelled, or you simply want your Grammarly account to display the correct name. The process is quick, and you can do it in just a few minutes from your browser. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to grammarly.com, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. Depending on your screen, this may be in the profile menu, the top corner, or inside your account dashboard. Click on Account Settings to open your main account options. After that, go to your profile settings. This is the area where Grammarly keeps your personal details, including the name that appears on your account. Inside the profile section, find the name field. You should see your current name listed there, ready to be edited. Click into the field and enter your new name carefully. Make sure the spelling is exactly how you want it to appear across your Grammarly profile. Once you've typed in the updated name, double check it before moving on. This step is important because you want to make sure the name is correct before saving. When everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes. Grammarly will then update your account information and your new name should now be reflected on your profile. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or sign out and sign back in, and that's it. You've successfully changed the name on your Grammarly account. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one.